Hi, I'm Ken Heinhold of Swirlfreeze Corporation, and I want to share with you why we are so excited about our new Swirlfreeze ice cream and yogurt blending machine. Our engineering and management team has designed and built a wide variety of equipment over the past 30 years, but none with as much potential and wide appeal as the Swirlfreeze blender. The features of this machine are so unique that they are covered under U.S. and foreign patent laws.
The ice cream and yogurt business is a very big industry. Consumption of these products continues to increase and is now at an all-time high. Some of the fastest growing and most profitable franchises in the country are in the frozen yogurt business, but most require a large investment in equipment. Many stores have several expensive soft-serve machines, but can only provide a limited number of flavors. The Swirlfreeze blender gives the ability to produce an unlimited variety of flavors, all from only one piece of equipment. As the demand for novelty treats continues to grow, the exciting blend-in flavor concept using hard ice cream and yogurt becomes very appealing. It has great potential as the way of the future for anyone who wants to serve a premium product with a modest investment. Swirlfreeze offers the revolutionary and exclusive Cyclone Jet Water Wash System. When the water wash is activated, several high-pressure jets of water spray directly against the mixing auger while in the cone and quickly and efficiently remove residual material. Another Swirlfreeze exclusive feature is the built-in sink, which directs rinse water and waste materials to the drain system. Swirlfreeze is the only machine of its type offering in-place built-in sanitizing. When the water wash is actuated, a sanitizing solution is dispensed, ensuring bacteriologically safe products for every customer. The Swirlfreeze machine is manufactured to exacting tolerances, utilizing the latest computer-controlled machine tools and technology. High-quality engineering and construction are standard with the Swirlfreeze blender. All moving parts are hardened and ground with ball-bearing construction to provide years of trouble-free service. All exposed parts of the Swirlfreeze blender are easily removed for complete machine access and thorough cleaning. The mixing auger attaches to the spindle drive shaft with a simple quick change mounting system. A clear cover made of unbreakable Lexan protects the operator from splash and from contact with the rotating auger. Swirlfreeze fits right in with existing and new ice cream and yogurt shops. And it is a great addition to fast food restaurants, convenience stores, food courts, pizza parlors, and sandwich shops. Swirlfreeze's handsome styling and rugged dependability, combined with affordability, can put you in the forefront of this tremendous growth industry. Remember the advantages you will gain when you select Swirlfreeze. High-quality blended ice cream and yogurt products which are produced by the Swirlfreeze system. An unlimited variety of flavors which can be made with one machine. Swirlfreeze is easy to operate and service. Swirlfreeze provides the speed and convenience of Cyclone Jet Water Wash and built-in sanitizing. Swirlfreeze is the best way to achieve repeat customers and healthy profits. Now is the time for you to install your own Swirlfreeze blender.